Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to today's video. So it is almost fall. Almost fall? It is fall? I don't know. Is it fall yet? I don't know. Like, it's still hot out, but we're getting to see pumpkins everywhere. We're getting the pumpkin spice lattes, which I've never had one. Are they that good? Do I need to try one? I don't know. But usually I am not one to shop ahead of time for seasons. Like, usually I'm like, okay, it's cold, I'm gonna go get some sweaters. I'm not the one that like starts buying fall clothes when they first come out. But I decided I should put in an order on Amazon and order some sweaters because I love sweaters. Sweaters are just so comfy and cozy, and like they can be so cute. So I have a big old bag of sweaters from Amazon. I got them from Amazon Wardrobe, which, if you didn't know, Amazon Wardrobe is basically just a try it before you buy it situation. I have lots of videos on my channel of a bunch of different Prime Wardrobe hauls. If you guys want to see all the cute, cozy, fuzzy sweaters, let's get into the video. All right, so let's open it up. So I got my card like usual. They give you a return label. They make it super simple to send things back that you don't want to keep, and they don't charge you for it unless you decide to keep it. So this one is the S Vivid Women's Solid High Neck Cowl Neck Button Knit Pullover Sweater Loose Cotton Juniors Wrap Jumpers Tops Red. The names are very strange and long. I don't know why. But I just thought it looked really cute with the buttons down the side and the cowl neck. It's really soft. It is like a more chunky knit, which always makes me nervous. I feel like I always ruin them with like my rings, get caught on them, or kids, or like my dog's nails. I don't know. I feel like I just always ruin them, but we'll see. Maybe it's worth keeping. Oh, and this was $35.99. Okay, so this one is really hot. It's so hot in here already, and it's just like, I feel like it just isn't for me. I feel like this whole thing is just too big. It just doesn't work right for me. I think it could be really cute on someone else. I thought the picture was really cute. I'm just not loving it. So this one's definitely going back. So this next one is more of a sweatshirt. This is the Rip Curl Juniors sweater in blush, and it was $24.19. I just thought it was really cute, the color and like the little stripes on the sleeve. Looks like it's going to be a little oversized. I just thought it was so cute, so I had to try it. So I'm excited to try this on. I love sweatshirts as well, especially ones that are a little more cute than just a plain hoodie. So how cute is this sweatshirt? I love it. I love the color. I love the stripes on the sleeves. I love that the sleeves are kind of baggy, but then they're not too long, like they don't just hang off. They're, you know, but I would probably wear it like this. But I just think it's so cute. I really love it. I think it's a winner. This one is more of a chunky knit also, but it feels super soft, and it feels more like a tighter knit, like it's not going to get ruined as easy. This is the Amazon brand Good Threads Women's Cotton Shaker Stitch Mock Neck Sweater in Camel Heather, and it was $40.95. I love this color. That looks so nice for fall. It just feels so nice. Like, it feels like a nice soft knit blanket. Like, this one I think I'm gonna love. Yeah, this one is so soft, and I love the color. I think this is like the perfect fall color. I am just worried that I will just ruin it so fast, but I think this one might be worth a shot. It's so, this is like the perfect fall sweater. This is it. This is what I need when I'm walking, going on a walk, drinking a hot coffee. There's pretty fall leaves everywhere. So I think this one's a keeper. I think it's just perfect for fall. So this one is the Amazon brand Good Threads Women Mid-Gauge Stretch V-Neck Sweater in Soft Gray Heather. And this was $33.14. This one feels like a really lightweight like material. Like it feels so like super light. You know how sometimes sweaters feel like they're like 20 pounds? This one just feels so airy and light, so that might be nice. It does feel soft, but also, I don't know, like it's not like super soft. So hopefully it's not like scratchy or itchy at all, but it does feel really nice. So I'm excited to try that on. I love just gray plain sweaters. They're always nice. So yeah, this gray one is so cute. I love the V-neck. I love how it hangs in the back, but it does feel a little bit scratchy, like just slightly. And I don't know if it's just enough that would make it so I wouldn't wear it or what, but I think it's so cute. It's just a nice color. The sleeves are long. I just wish it was a tiny bit softer. Just nice oversized comfy sweater. So this one is the Amazon brand Daily Ritual women's chunky knit long sleeve crew pullover sweater in lilac. So it's just like this really pretty lilac color. Is this the same as the other one? Well, this one's only $28.81, and I feel like it's so similar to this one though. Okay, they're different, but they're both Amazon brands, but this one's Good Threads and this one is Daily Ritual. So they just seemed so similar for a minute, but that looks really nice too. It's again like a super soft like knit blanket. So here's the lilac one. It is so soft and so cute. I think I love this one. Like I could just wear it all the time. Like it's one of those that's just really comfy. I did order several larges, I think. I don't know if they're all large, but I did get them a little bigger so that they'd be a little more oversized, and I think it's just so cute. So this is a yes. So this one is a darker gray. This is the Amazon brand Daily Ritual women's wool blend texture stitch crew neck pullover sweater charcoal heather, and this was $29.78. This one is soft, but it does feel a little more of that like scratchy texture. So I'm not sure I'm gonna love this. If something isn't comfortable, I'm just not gonna wear it. So we'll see. It does look really nice though. Seems really good quality. All the Amazon brand stuff seems really nice quality. Okay, this gray one, I don't know about. I think it's so cute. I love the length. I love that it's like longer than my butt because I could wear it with leggings. Like, it's so hard to find a sweater like this for some reason that's not like way too big, but it's just a little scratchy, and I'm just like, can I deal with that? Can I get past that? Because it's really cute. I love the neckline. I love the color. They had a bunch of different colors too, so I don't know. Can I deal with a little bit scratchy to wear a cute sweater? That's the question. And this one I thought was so cute. Just the ombre, the purple lilac ombre was so pretty. This is the Splendid Women's Eventide ombre pullover sweater in the color Evening Hush, and this was $134.89. I didn't even realize how much this was. I'm just gonna say right now that I don't think this is worth $134. I don't know why when it's not even like super soft or anything. So, I mean, I'll definitely try it on. There's no way I'm gonna keep this. I don't know why I added this to my cart. I don't remember getting a sweater that expensive, but that's ridiculously expensive for a sweater, even if it is pretty and ombre. Okay, so this purple one, this $130 sweater, it's cute, but it's not that cute. I could never pay that much for a sweater, I don't think. It is really cute. It's really comfortable. I like the way that it hangs. There's no complaints except for the crazy price. I can't do it. But if you guys want a $130 sweater that's ombre and fits nice and feels nice, then this is the one for you. Okay, and apparently I did it again with this last one, which this one looks like it could be really cute, but it looks like it could also be a disaster and just way too much. This one here, so it's pink, it's got ruffles, it's got pearls, even all down the back. This is the For Love and Lemons women's sweater in pink, and this is $131.73. Why are there these really expensive sweaters on Amazon? I don't think I saw the pearls in the picture. I feel like if I saw this in a store, I definitely would not pick it up. I don't know why I added it to the cart. It looked kind of cute. I'll try it on and see, but definitely not keeping it either because no. $130 for a sweater, just no. I'm not doing it. I don't even think I need to say anything because this speaks for itself. Sometimes when you take a risk, it pays off, and other times it makes you look like a clown. So I don't know. It looked kind of cute in the picture, and I thought maybe it would work. It definitely does not. I feel ridiculous. I would never wear this. It's too small. Like, I just have no words. And this is $130. So if you need a weird pink clown sweater that you want to overpay for, then here you go. That's all I have to say. I'm going to go turn on my AC. I am hot and sweaty in here. It's too hot for sweaters right now. What are we doing? All right, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will have everything linked down below if you want to check it out. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I do 3 videos a week, and I'd love to have you part of my little YouTube fam. Also, if you want to be notified every time I upload, click the little notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.